What's up, my Credit with Capital crew? This is Ronaldo with Credit with Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we're putting out on every single Wednesday. Now, today we are doing part 3 of the Credit Repair series, Rebuilding Your Financial Health. Okay, and we're talking about creating a credit repair plan. So, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I appreciate all of you. Okay, now, certainly here's a breakdown on each topic of part 3, creating your credit repair plan in credit repair in our credit repair series. Okay, now, part 3, creating a credit repair plan. Okay, now, first thing you need to is setting clear credit goals. Okay, now, defining your goals is how to set a specific achievable credit repair goals, such as raising your credit score by a certain number of points or paying off specific debt. Now, once you pay off most of your debt on time, or you can actually call the credit bureaus and let them know that you want to do a pay for deletion, not the credit bureaus, but the lender, that you want to do a pay for deletion. And that's basically saying that you're going to give them a certain amount of money to delete this item off your credit report if it's a negative item on your account. Okay, now before you actually give them any money, make sure that you get a letter. Either they email it to them or you get it in the mail stating that they will delete this item off your credit report for a certain amount of money. Okay, make sure you have that document and give them a what you call them what you call that you go to Walmart, Western Union. You can Western Union the money, or you can send them I'm having a brain fart. I forgot. But don't give them your personal information. Don't give them your bank account information. Don't give them your credit card information, because what they might do is charge you for the full amount on the account. And you did give them authorized for payment, but not the full payment. So, however, make sure that you give them the money and make sure that you do not give them access to any of your accounts. Okay. Now, I know can be taunting and it can be boring. However, discussing the importance of having clear goals can keep you motivated throughout the whole credit repair journey. Okay, you did not get in debt overnight, so it will not take 24 hours for you to get out of debt. Okay, now, in the previous video, I did tell y'all that you need to talked about how you open up a bank account. You will need a bank account information. Okay, I'm put that video up here. And then also I discussed about building that bank relationship. Excuse me. I'm going to actually put that here as well. You need to do these things because that way you can actually be lendable and start building that relationship, because if they know you 9 out of 10 times, they're more likely to loan you money. Okay. Ooh, excuse me. Okay, next is prioritize your debt and negative items. Okay, identify priorities. Learn how to identify the debts and negative items based on their impact on your credit score, your interest rates, and overall financial health. Okay, if you do have any credit cards and you have a high interest rate and you have these credit cards for over 6 months, call them up and let them know that you want to get a lower interest rate. If not, get a higher credit limit. Do one or the other. Call 3 months after you having it, get a higher interest rate, or get a low credit score, get a higher limit or in a lower interest rate, or wait 6 months and do the other one. 3 months, do one. 6 months, do the other. Doesn't matter which one. Okay. Now, snowball effect versus avalanche method. Okay, explain the debt payoff strategy, such as the snowball method, which pays off the smallest debt first. Okay, and that's basically writing down a list of all your bills that you have and pay off the smallest bill first, and the money that you use to pay off that first bill, make sure you use that same money for the second bill, okay? So you pay the minimum balance on the second bill plus the money that you was paying on that first bill on the second as well. And you keep doing that until you pay it off. And that's what you call the snowball effect, okay? And the avalanche method is paying off the higher interest rate debt first. Now, if you do have a credit card that has a high interest rate and you have a high balance on there, call them up and see when they lower that interest rate, okay? So that way your balance, your fees that you'll be charged on there won't be as high, and then you can still pay it off as quickly as possible, okay? So the next one is develop a realistic budget, okay? Income and expenses. Income and expenses. Assess your monthly income and expenses to create a comprehensive budget. That making sure that you know your business. You know what's coming in and out your paycheck. You need to make sure that you're sitting down, that you're writing down everything that you need, everything that you owe, and when it's due, okay, and the minimum payment balance. So that way you know exactly where your money is going. And then at the end of the month, if you have any money left, put it in a savings account, okay? Put it away, because the best way for you to actually get financial freedom is for you to start a business, okay? I did a video about that. I will put that here, and that you actually there are a couple ways that you can actually start a business with less than $1,000, okay? So you save that money up, or go into real estate, you know, save that money up, get a down payment, your first buyer's program. Instead of you buying a house, get a duplex, triplex, or quadruplex, okay? It's still within that same range that you could actually start building generational wealth, okay? Let your money work for you and not you working for your money, okay? Now, your income, I'm getting all sidetracked, excuse me, y'all. That's your income and expenses, okay? Your allocation for funding, for debt payment, necessities, savings, and um, little stuff that you want to buy throughout the week or whatever, and gas and stuff like that. So you make sure, like I said, you have all your bills written down. Make sure you pay your necessities first, and then put back savings, and then whatever you have you left, that's what you live off of, hon. Okay? We're not trying to keep up with the Joneses. We're just trying to make a living. Okay, now your lifestyle adjustment. This is going to adjust your lifestyle for a minimum time. Now, it is not for a lifetime, okay? Making temporary lifestyle adjustments to free up funds for your debt payment, okay? This is the best way to actually pay off debt a lot quicker, okay? You can live like the Joneses later, but right now you want to maximize your credit report and your credit score to get the best amount off of it, okay? So next is building a timeline for importance, okay? If you want to buy a house or get a car loan within a time frame, set that time frame and do these steps within that time frame, okay? Realistic time frames. Set a realistic timeline for approving credit report goals based on your scope of improvement needs, okay? As well as your milestone. Break down the credit report plans to achieve your milestones, such as paying off a specific debt or reaching a target credit score. Okay, hold on, you guys. Hold on, Tay Tay. Give me a minute, girl. I'm almost done, girl. I'm almost done. Okay, and then track your process. Okay, it is very important that you monitor your program regularly and make adjustments as needed. Okay, because everything changes. Okay, life is a challenge. Life is a lesson, and we're learning these lessons by making these mistakes. Okay, these mistakes are lessons learned. Okay, now these topics and guides individuals through the process of creating a structured credit repair plan that aligns with the financial goals and credibility. Breaking down the plan into actionable steps, individuals can take charge of their credit journey with confidence. Okay, so today we talked about part 3, creating a credit repair plan, setting your clear goals. God bless you, girl. You're prioritizing your debts and negative items, developing a realistic budget, building a timeline for credit improvement. Okay, doing these things will dramatically help you improve your credit report. Okay, now don't forget to join our Facebook group as well as our here on YouTube. Hold on, baby. Wait 1 minute. Here on YouTube as well as our podcast. Okay, Let me go. My name is Renata, the CreditRepare Compass. This is Credit with Capital. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next video. What, baby girl?